Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 17. In the xy plane, what is the y-intercept of the graph of the equation y equals 6 times x minus 1/2 times x plus 3? Before we start, I want to review. Whenever we have the graph look like that. If the graph cross the y-axis at a point, they call that y-intercept. And if cross the x-axis at a point, that is called x-intercept. Okay, whenever we find the point of y-intercept, that was 0, y-intercept. So basically, when x equals 0, then you can find y-intercept. Okay, so we can review the x-intercept as well. X-intercept point, we write down at x-intercept, 0. What mean when y equals 0, you can find the x-intercept. Okay, so in this question, they're asking for the y-intercept. So this is the question mark right here. So our job is just plug in x equals 0 in the given equations to find out what is the y-intercept. So you have y-intercept that equal 6 times x is 0. Zero minus 1/2. Okay, multiply x plus 3, so x equals 0. 0 plus 3. Now we can simplify this one. We have to work inside of the parentheses first. So 0 subtract 1/2 is negative 1/2. 0 at 3 is 3. Remember, if it's 6, we can rewritten it as 6 over 1, right? And also, for the fractions, if you have a over b multiplied by c over d, we would do the multiplication between the fractions at top to top, so a times c, bottom to bottom, and b times d. So we can rewrite it as 6 over 1 multiply negative 1 over 2 multiply 3 over 1. So now top to top, so 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. Okay, 1 times 2 is 2. Now, you can do negative 6 times 3 is negative 18 over 2, and that gives you negative 9. But you also can just simplify in this step, just simplify it at 6 is 2 times 3, okay? Multiply negative 1 times 3 over 1 times 2 times 1. Why we make 6 into the component of 2 and 3? Because we want to cancel the 2 here. Then we will have 3 times 3 times -1 is -9, and 1 times 1 is 1. That will make you -9 as well. You can cancel or you can simplify it first before you make the multiplications, or you can do the multiplication and then finally you will simplify it later. So the answer in this question is A. Y-intercept is -9. Just one more notic is why we have the 0 there, because remember we say x equals 0, so whenever you see x, you write down 0. That's why we have here 0 here. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.